Singapore's leaders have written to Chinese President Xi Jinping on the COVID-19 outbreak. President Halimah Yacob has noted China's swift, decisive and comprehensive measures, adding that she is confident that the country will overcome the disease, which respects no boundaries.
Madam Halimah says Singapore stands with China during this difficult period and supports its efforts. She's highlighted the public appeal for funds to provide humanitarian assistance and the Singapore government's contributions of medical equipment and diagnostic test kits.
The president has expressed her appreciation to the Chinese government for facilitating the return of Singaporeans and their dependents from Hubei, describing it as a testament to the strong cooperation between both countries.
She's also confirmed her state visit to China this year, saying she's looking forward to meeting President Xi again.
In his letter, Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong says Singapore researchers are ready to work with their Chinese counterparts on a vaccine and treatment for COVID-19. Such collaboration is set to be discussed at the next edition of an annual high-level meeting, the Joint Council for Bilateral Cooperation.
Mr. Lee also notes the regional cooperation between China and ASEAN to counter the outbreak and says Singapore supports China's proposal to continue discussions on the subject in the future. Even as countries try to contain the disease, which scientists say is more infectious but less lethal than SARS, Mr. Lee believes they should explore how to manage its health effects on people while progressively restoring economic activities. Mr. Lee says bilateral cooperation on common challenges testifies to a strong and steadfast friendship as both sides mark 30 years of diplomatic relations.